Hello everyone, this is Howard from Diego Remodeling. What we're doing here is installing a new door handle for one of our customers. We already have some of it done. Now we're getting ready to put in the handle. Our phone number is area code 619-850-4794. You can call us for your door handle repairs, any kind of door handle installation you have at your home or your office. Have a great day and bye for now. Hello everyone, this is Howard from Diego Remodeling. What we're doing here is we installed 3 new doors for our customer. You can see that they're 2-panel and they have the very nice casing. It has a little curly and a little flat and a little V-joint on it. Very nice updating. We also have brushed nickel hardware and a brushed nickel handle. We have that door. We have this door in the bathroom. The same brushed nickel hardware, 2-panel with the V-joint. It's nice that the casing has the V-joint too, so it kind of ties it together. And it's got a privacy handle on here. And our last door is over here, guys, on the laundry room. The same 2-panel V-joint casing, brushed nickel hardware on the handle. Our phone number is area code 619-850-4794. You can call us for your door installations, any kind of door repairs you have at your home or your office. Have a great day and bye for now.